name is Devendra. Now I am telling future activities. I shall woke up 4:30 a.m. Tomorrow. I shall go for toilet, complete and my exhibition. I shall go for skating for 3 hours. After coming back skating, I shall brush my teeth. I shall bath. I shall do breakfast and dress up. Get ready for my school. I leave my I leave I shall leave my school 8 a.m. reach 9 a.m. I shall study 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. After coming back from school 6 p.m. After coming back from school, I take snacks and tea. I shall relax for some time. I play with my friends sometime. I do my homework 8 a.m. I, I shall take dinner with my family. I go to bed 12 p.m. That's all about my future activities. Bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you.